the Genesis G80. So this car is a little bit like the 5 Series, to make an analogy, except this one is electric. I actually don't know off the top of my head. Does BMW make an electric 5 Series? Anyways, the fit and finish of this car is pretty good for the value. This is like an $80,000 car, although I'm not a fan of this trim. I think that this is a little bit cheesy looking, but everything else, this is pretty luxurious. What do you think of this? This car clicks off 60 in just 4.1 seconds. So that's comparable to, I believe, the Tesla Y and the Polestar 2 are around that same time. And by the way, let's just point out, that's incredibly fast. When I was growing up, the Porsche 911 Turbo did 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds. So by any metric, 4.1 seconds, let's remember that that's blisteringly fast, period. This car has a range of 282 miles, and its quick charging, its ultra fast quick charging, bills it as being able to go from 10% to 80% in just 22 minutes. So that's pretty good. As far as the 282 mile range, that's somewhere kind of in the middle of the road, nowhere near Lucid's 400. But what do you think of this car?